discuss about the exercise questions, and we will do some MCQs, MCQ question. We will do true and false questions, and we will also do fill in the blanks type questions. So your chapter which was discussing, and that chapter name was customizing Windows 10, and chapter number was 4. That is finished, that is completed, and some exercise questions we will discuss on today, and the remaining answers the following questions will be discussed in the next class. So students, here is the PDF of your exercise questions, and first question is tick the correct answer. So let me discuss one by one. The first question is files, folders, and programs on the desktop are represented as. That means files, folders, and program on the desktop. How you will represent these files, folders, and program? So you will represent is like this icons, because you say this is a icon. Next question. The background of the desktop is also known as. So background of the desktop is also known as wallpaper, because in the daily life you just say that I want to change my wallpaper, my mobile phone by wallpaper, I want to change my computer wallpaper. So wallpaper changing means you are changing the desktop background. Next question. The screen that appears when you lock the computer is. Which screen will appear to? The screen will appear lock screen. Let me show you. Suppose the shortcut of lock a screen is window L. So window plus L. If I'm clicking window plus L, you just see this screen is lock screen. Okay. So I need to write here the password. If I set here, so I set here. So I just enter the password. After that I open the lock screen. Next one is the shape of tiles on the start menu is. So the shape is rectangle. Okay. So let me show you this one also. Click on start button. I do not have any tile, so that's why it was not showing to me. So but the size is rectangle. That means the length and the width size is different. Okay. So just wait a moment and revise this one, then I will move ahead. So students, then I think you have revised. So next question is, you can open the setting app by clicking the start button, and then which icon you will click. This icon is mentioned over there, so you will click on this icon. So after that, after clicking, you can open the setting app by clicking the start button, and there will be this icon is a icon of setting. Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks with the correct word. So this question is fill in the blanks. The first question is, the screensaver prevents the monitor screen from. Listen very carefully. The screensaver prevents the monitor from. So what a screensaver prevent a monitor? Burning out. Okay. So the answer will be burning out. So burning out is the first A answer. Next, the auto arrange icons options automatically sort the icons on the, you know that the icons is on the desktop. So B is the answer of desktop. Next question, the display shortcuts for the apps in the form of rectangular tiles. So where you will see start menu. So the C option is start menu. Next, display constantly changing information from the computer or the internet. The option is live tiles displays. Live tiles displays constantly changing information from the computer or the internet. So this is the D option. Next one, The appears on the monitor when the computer is left idle for the specified. You know that that means screen saver will come if you leave the computer as a idle for a some time. So E is the option. Okay, so next one is true and false questions based on true and false. The first question is, you cannot change the accent color used in the start menu. Definitely you can change. So this is false. And false, I am representing the false to A. So false to F and true to T. So you can use a group of pictures as a desktop background that change after a specified number of times. That means definitely it is true. You can choose a group of picture and that picture change automatically with a specified time. That means at a given time. So you can get effect of multiple pictures after a some time in a particular time. Next question, you can customize Windows 10 to enhance productivity and easy of use. Definitely you can customize means you can do some arranges in different apps, and you can arrange in the start menus also to easy your use. Definitely this is true. Next one, you can add tiles of various apps on the desktop. So you cannot add tiles on the desktop. The tiles are add on the start menu. So desktop is having icons. So this is false. This is false. Next one, you can change the size of the tiles in the start menu. Definitely you can change. So this is true. So students, one more exercise question depends. Answer the following questions. We will discuss in the next class and, and in the next class we will start a new chapters also. So thank you student for watching here, and if you face any problem to understand it, then you can comment me on YouTube. I will share the YouTube link on the group, and also if the videos you like it, then definitely you can appreciate to me for making this type of videos. So thank you students, your appreciation is needed for improving to myself. Thank you.